Welcome back and thanks for staying tuned into Business Lunch on CNBC TV 18. Let's move on to some national news updates now. The Aero India show that has taken off in Bangalore today. We have CNN News 18's Akash joining in with us from the location to tell us more about this one.
The biggest defense and aviation expo, Aero India 2025, has begun here in Bangalore. The event is big, with more than 900 exhibitors taking part. We have representation from more than 80 countries. Close to 40 defense ministers from all across the world are taking part. And we have a confirmation of close to 30 service chiefs from all across the world. The first day is a mix of a number of activities where we have seen that how Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh inaugurated the event first, followed by an air show where we saw a number of aircraft taking part in different maneuvers. And then we are going to see CEO's roundtable today. The event is going to focus on Make in India approach of the Defense Ministry, and we are going to see a number of aircraft, drones, UAV technology, weapons, missiles, and a number of related things. On one hand, we have Su-57E of Russia taking part in this event. On the other hand, we have F-35 of United States. This event is also seeing a lot of excitement for fifth generation aircraft, given the fact that while we have Russia and United States taking part with their fifth gen aircraft, India is also working on its fifth gen aircraft program, that is AMCA. We have seen that how Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh has inaugurated the one-by-one prototype model of AMCA. And in the coming years, we are expecting that this program will see a success and India will have its own fifth gen aircraft. This is a 5-day event. The initial 3 days are for the exhibitors, for the companies, and in fact for the business. And remaining 2 days will be open for public, where people can come and can witness a number of technologies and a number of equipments, a number of aircraft here in this particular event.